Hey there, hope you're doing great. So in today's one, I'm going to show you how to create 3-in-1 images that you can share on Instagram or any other social media that you use. And the benefit of it, you will not crop your landscape images into a vertical because you're creating this tree split. And honestly, I don't like to crop my landscape images to a vertical because like I shot them that way. I want you to see it that way. So that's the first part. And the second part, that you will basically show 3 images in one, and eventually that will boost the engagement with your post because there's a lot of information to be processed, basically 3 images. And you can create visually interesting stories with this, so that will again boost engagement with your post. So we're inside Photoshop and I already imported the images that we're going to work with. And first thing that we need to do, we need to go to the file, new, and create a new file that will be 2160 by 2700. And if you don't know why I'm choosing those specific values, you should go to check out my other tutorial about high quality photo uploads to Instagram, and you will understand why I'm choosing those values. But for this tutorial, just choose those values and press OK. So we're having perfect 4:5 image in here, which is required by Instagram. So I will show you a couple of ways how you can split this into 3. So basically the first method is you're going to go to the crop tool. It will be crop tool for you here. You're just going to switch it to slice tool, right click it and go to divide, and you're going to choose divide horizontally into 3 pieces, and basically there you have it, your perfect tree split. But honestly, there is a better way of doing this. So this is first method that you can use. The second method is you can use those guides here. You can drag them from above, how many that you want. And you can go and edit those guides, and you're going to do the math here. You're going to 2700 divided by 3 because we need 3 slices. So you can see it perfectly 900 pixels, and you can go do the same for this one. So you will go 900 times 2. And it's perfectly tree split again. But even this is not the best way of doing this. And by the way, if you don't have those rulers, you can go to view and activate rulers, or press Ctrl R to have those rulers. So basically this is without rulers and this is with rulers. So this is another way of doing this. Also, you can actually lock guides because like basically you can move those and you can mess up everything. So right click, lock guides, and to let's do it, lock guides, and to unlock them, go to the guides and press on clear guides, and that's all. And the next method that I want to show is you're going to view guides and you're pressing new guide layout, and basically you can see I already have my preset here. And how to create a preset, basically you just can go to the default and turn this off, like turn the rows and go to the 3, and gutter turn it to 0, or basically remove it. So this is your perfect split, like again like tree split here. And you can go and save this as a preset. So this is custom, and you can go and save it as a preset. So you will have your so this is save preset, and you can see I saved this tree split. So if I'm going to choose tree split, there I have everything that I needed. So this is 3 ways of doing this. Next, we need to drag our images, and basically I would like to start with this one and place this car in the middle. So basically just drag it here, and we don't need this. Let's close it. So we have our car here. It's a massive image. So let's just resize it by Ctrl T and just hold Shift and drag from one corner. So basically I'm going to do something like this. So this is good. Why I'm choosing to start with a middle image, let me explain. So I'm going to sorry, I'm going to choose a rectangular marquee tool, and I'm going to like choose this part, remove it, and it will automatically snap to your guides. So delete and select, deselect. So basically, why I'm doing this, let me show you. So if I'm going to drag this here, let's just close this, we don't need it. And again, let's resize those, hold shift and resize it to something like so. Okay, so now what I can do, instead of just cropping this bottom part, I can just drag this down, so it will be covered by this layer and I don't need to cut anything else. So the same will go with another, where is it? With another image. So let's just drag this here, and you can see it's already covered by the middle image. So Control T again. Let's resize this to something like so, and just place it right here and press enter. And there you have it basically. And if you want to clear these guides, you can go to View, Guides, and you can clear guides. And this is it basically. Now you know how to create visually appealing images that will grab users' attention. Go step up your Instagram game. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome.